Oh my gosh. Hey guys, Cindy exhausted Lynn.
And I'm tired.
Worn out Tony. Hey, do you guys see anything like different around here? Maybe like all this stuff behind us? We sectioned off a part of the Polebarn here. Actually, we were here late last night getting the floor clean because it was pretty dirty. And then today is
Moving day.
We are so shocked. It's been a little stressful trying to get everything together and tell them about the electricity. The thorn in our side.
Yeah, the electric company called this morning to hook up the permanent electric. So I was already on my way here, and when I got here I was able to go ahead and get everything hooked up. Over there against the wall, you can see the RV plug. That's to hook the RV up.
It's hooked up right
which
now,
is outside.
It's our new home for the winter.
Which is where we're living for the next few months.
Oh my gosh, it's so weird. This is like a first time ever kind of adventure living in the RV thing for us. So we don't know how it's gonna go. But so far it's been a little stressful. Like he said, the permanent electricity just got hooked up today. Yeah. And we had like a deep freeze full of stuff, and we were trying to figure out, okay, whose house can we take it to?
We only had one plug, and it was like we got to run the air conditioner on the RV, where we're going to plug the refrigerator in, and the freezer, and just everything. And
yeah, because you're at the whim of the electric company. So last week, was it last Thursday? Their contractor actually came and dug the line out.
Yep.
So their contractors do the line, but then the actual rural electric company comes and takes the temporary meter, hooks it up at the permanent spot, which is outside the side of the Polebarn over here. So we didn't know when that was going to be. We were under the assumption it would just take a day or two, but it's been
a week.
One full week, Thursday to Thursday. So, but anyway, we're good. We are now completely on grid permanently. And we have our RV going, we have a freezer plugged in, we have all of our junk, which I don't really care about because I'm going to be in the RV. I do have a cat here somewhere. Come here, kitty, kitty. Where you at, buddy?
He took off and hid underneath there.
I can't.
Underneath all the furniture that he knows. He knows the smell, I guess, so he ran in there.
We got his stuff set up, so.
Usually every time we move, he disappears for about 3 days. So.
Do you guys think that we should leave him in the RV with us, or should we
keep him out here in the barn?
In the big part of the Polebarn with his food and water and all that, so, and litter box. I don't know, maybe I'll try both. What do you guys think? Leave us a comment and see if we should leave the cat inside or in the Polebarn. So yeah, it's been such an exhausting day moving, and we're gonna go grab something to eat.
Yep, and then tomorrow I'll head to the apartment and finalize it, turn in the keys, grab a couple boxes that are left, and then we're out of there. That
reminds me, I need to give you my key and my garage door opener. Our apartment actually had a garage, a one-car garage, which is pretty sweet. But well, all right, we feel like we're finally home. So today's the day. We're here. We're not going to be, leaving the camper here like we have been and then going back to our other
back and forth
apartment home. This is it. So it's going to be real interesting. So we'll keep you guys informed.
I think I need to mow.
Somebody does.
It's going to be more of an issue now. Now that I'm here, it's going to be, hey, the grass needs mowed.
Yeah. He did get the...
don't have to bush hog it yet. No.
You did get the yellow jackets taken care of.
Yeah, well, yellow jackets are taken care of.
Yeah, so... Well, thanks guys for tuning in. I know a lot of you have been following along, waiting for the move-in day and the Polebarn. So we're here. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned.
See you later.
Bye.